In this video, I'm going to go over how to assemble your folding walker from VOCIC. You don't need any tools, it's just a few steps and they make it very simple to do. Step number one is putting on the front wheels. Just slide these on and pop them into place with the pins and you'll be ready to move to the back wheels. Now for the back wheels, it's the same thing. You can just slide them in and they'll pop into place with the already installed pins. And there's a bunch of different heights to choose from for both these wheels, so just put them at whatever height you need. Now we can move on to assembling the handles. And these are very easy. You just need to unscrew the bolt and line up the handles to whatever height you want. Once you have that lined up, push the bolt back through and screw it into place, securing the handles. And the brakes, you can take the brake cord and they do have a little attachment where you can keep it tied up to the side so it's not flaring everywhere as well. Now for the final step, which is to putting on the storage bag. You can hook that into the front, which I'm doing. It does have some other strings or attachments if you want to put it in a different spot. And as for the back support, that just slides in and you're good to go. And just like that, your walker is fully assembled. This took me maybe 2 minutes to do. They make it super simple. You don't need any tools and you can take it apart just as fast if you would need to do that. Overall, I'm super happy with my purchase. This gets 2 thumbs up from me.